I flew here for just 87 bucks. Yep, under $100. And in this video, I'll show you exactly how you can do it too, with 5 practical tips to find cheap flights, even in 2025. First up, use flight comparison tools like Skyscanner, Google Flights, and Momondo. These platforms search across hundreds of airlines and travel sites. Try the Everywhere or Flexible Destination feature to find the cheapest deals based on your dates. Choose the country you're flying from. As destination, fill in Everywhere. Look at this, London for 24 bucks. It's real. Second tip, be flexible with your dates. Flying on a Tuesday or Wednesday is usually cheaper than weekends. Use Google Flights calendar to find cheapest days. Third, consider alternative airports. Smaller or budget airports often have lower fees and better deals. Example, flying from Eindhoven instead of Schiphol saved me over 60 euros. Fourth, set price alerts. Tools like Hopper, Kayak, and Skyscanner will notify you when prices drop. It takes 5 seconds to set up, and it can save you a lot. Turn on notifications for price drops. Number 5, hunt for mistake fares. Sometimes airlines accidentally list the wrong price, and sites like Secret Flying and Jack's Flight Club track these for you. These prices are mistake fares, but are ideal to take advantage of. You can save more than 100 bucks. Last but not least, I have some bonus tips. Use a VPN. Prices sometimes vary by country. Search in incognito mode to avoid price tracking. Book 2 one-way tickets instead of a return. It can be cheap. Want more budget travel hacks like this? Hit subscribe and check out my video, 7 cheapest countries to visit in 2025. And hey, what's the cheapest flight you've ever booked? Drop it in the comments.